Should be live. Hello and welcome everyone to another episode of the Daily High. I should be your only host today. I believe Matt McGregor is flying to the US in order to go to Denver, where he will be participating in karate combat. I think I am having latency issues, and we're about to find out. So this stream may not be working. So let me know. Let me know if it works. Let me know if my audio is working. Let me know if my video is working, because I'm having issues this morning. I'm in a new location and I'm connected to another monitor. I have good internet, but I don't know. Everything is just slow. Yeah, looks like I'm frozen. And this was an issue this morning, which is why this stream was running late. Uh, I am at 7:20. So I don't know. I'm gonna turn off the camera. Maybe it'll help. And we're gonna go to screen share. And if it works, it works. And if it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. And then there's no stream. It really is that simple at this point. All right. I'm gonna start talking about the price. And if it's bad, I'm gonna end the stream and then maybe a video tomorrow, but I don't see how things are gonna be different. So maybe a video, I don't know, at the end of the week when I'm in Denver, or I have no idea. I honestly don't. I don't know. Okay. So the weekly chart is not looking good at all. All right. Well, how's the video though? Well, we'll find out if the video is lagging or not. Screen share is okay. All right. All right. So screen share is okay. Then screen share is okay. So the weekly chart actually looks terrible. Today is Monday. We can still close the week nice and positive, but at the moment we have a red star candle on the weekly chart, and we are breaking below the no trade zone inside the no trade zone. So that's the second half of the no trade zone right here, the second one. We bounced right off of it. There is not much good news I can say. The Ideally, I was hoping we would start bouncing in this upper channel before the breakout, but that is clearly not happening. So um, yeah, it just doesn't look good. I don't have much to say. I really don't. The daily chart looks like a bigger disaster than the weekly chart. This is very bearish. Now there is some support right here at the 128-day moving average. We can hit the support at 93,000 and bounce up, but we are getting once again dangerously close. Is this some kind of a trend line? It is a trend line. Um, yeah, it's a trend line. It's not. We're getting dangerously close to this 128-day moving average. And once this moving average is broken, there's almost no support whatsoever. There is this one trend line hanging around at 88. And after that, we are looking at the 200-day moving average at 81, or potentially all the way down to 73, which was the prior swing high back in March of last year. And we're at March of this year, right? So it's been a year pretty much, and we actually have a chance at going down to 73. Hey guys, I think my computer's frozen. So I am definitely struggling here. It looks ugly. The weekly chart is bearish. The daily chart is bearish. What about the lower level time frames? Here's the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart is definitely bearish. We were not able to close above this blue line that I had drawn. And that is a very ugly 4-hour candle. We are, instead of all of these moving averages acting as support on Friday afternoon, we broke below them and they have now been acting as resistance. You have one final line of support on the 4-hour chart, which is the $93,800 MRI support line. And below that, it gets very, very ugly. Uh, yeah, it's a very bearish chart. You're looking at a red star candle, next candle in about 30 minutes if we continue to make slightly new lows. Here's the 1-hour chart. And the 1-hour chart broke to new lows. Again, very bearish chart. I don't know what else I can say other than the charts are bearish across the board. And there is a decent chance uh, we're going to break down significantly. What does that mean? I mean, we can pray that we reverse at 93, more likely 88. And if 88 doesn't reverse us, then all the way down to 73. Those are the targets for now. Let's talk gold. Gold is on an MRI warning candle on a weekly scale. We'll have a whole week of that. And then we're hitting a very critical MRI top. I'll talk more about that in the coming days, assuming my computer is working and I can stream. Here's SPX. There's the S&P daily chart. And the S&P daily chart is also very bearish with a red star candle. Let me delete some of this stuff. It's starting to clutter my charts. We have a red star candle on the daily S&P. I would have been very bullish on the daily S&P, midnight last week with a green star candle and the S&P closed at a brand new all-time high. But over the last few days, I think I need to go to a low-level time frame. I think there's some stuff I need to delete. Yeah, I want to delete this. The S&P did not open very good this morning. And it's also an ugly looking chart. On a weekly scale, we're still okay, still a red star candle, but at least we have moving average support. Correlation. Bitcoin is certainly correlated with the S&P, as you can see. The interest rates, that's going to be interesting now that Trump's president. That's the Ethereum chart. Someone was asking for MicroStrategies. Well, MSTR will certainly not perform very well with these Bitcoin prices. But man, if MSTR can make it to sub 200, that would be a nice buying opportunity. I mean, MSTR would be down 70% from the top, while Bitcoin would only be down about 30%. So that creates some awesome buying opportunities in MSTR. If this correct, that is a descending triangle in the making. I would like to see one more hit. I like seeing 3 hits. Oh man, that looks really good. I mean, it's bad, but it's a good triangle shape. That is one ugly triangle on the S&P on the MSTR. One ugly triangle. All right, let's see where we are on Max Payne. Once again, Max Payne has predicted the price of Bitcoin every Friday, except maybe 1 week in the last 3 months. So it's been about 95% accurate. And we have $55 on iBit. And I believe we are lower than that right now. Or no, we're sitting right at Max Payne. So Max Payne is at 55. Expect more consolidation for the foreseeable future. All right, that's pretty much it for me, guys. The ETFs have been selling some Bitcoin. I got to update my spreadsheet. I haven't done that in a while. They've been selling Bitcoin all week long. And that's it, guys. I'm going to get going. I'm just having some latency issues. I can try and turn on my camera at the end here, but I don't think it's going to do much. The financial summit is just a few weeks away. You can see it right here. We got about 3 weeks before the financial summit on March 16th. And we still have some villas, so not too late to sign up and join us in the Maldives. It is very likely to be the last in-person financial summit. They've just been a lot of work, a lot of stress, and it's a passion project. It doesn't really make money, even though the cost to attend is $9,000. The money's the cost to be there is also $9,000. So this is likely to be the last one. So if you were considering joining the financial summit someday, this is likely to be the last one. There's a 95% chance this is the last one. I'm not sure I want to take on the work and the stress of organizing any more of these. So this is your last chance to join us. And that's it. On that note, I'm gonna try to turn on my camera and screen share. I have no idea if the camera would work. I've been having massive latency issues right now. But thank you all for watching, guys, and see you all tomorrow. Hopefully with Matt McGregor. He's already going to be in Denver. All right. Bye, guys.